Madonna, Peter Gabriel, Lady Gaga, and other superstars all put on shows here for thousands of spectators. The Boston Celtics and the Boston Bruins, with their legacy of championships, play their home games under this roof. For the TD Garden, one of the USA's most prominent and entertaining venues, time is money. It can accommodate almost 20,000 spectators. Anything but a high-performing roof system would be unthinkable, not only for the audience and the stars, but its operators as well. And in 2010, the whole roof needed to be replaced without interrupting the game schedules. Delaware North Company, the building's owner, has committed to sustainable business practices and incorporated that thinking into this project. The old insulation and roof were removed and recycled, with the membrane going back into new roofing membrane products. And an EnergySmart roof with 4 inches of new insulation was installed to improve the energy efficiency of the building. The project team, consisting of Wessling Architects, Shawmut Design and Construction, Greenwood Industries, and Sika Sarnafil, met all of the owner's goals while renovating the entire 156,000 square foot barrel roof over a 15-month period as events took place below. The TD Garden is an excellent example of how re-roofing can be done successfully with the right team and the right products, even under the most demanding conditions.